Welcome. Today I'm gonna join the giveaway from Locked Out Freediver 72. Hashtag Freediver 72 giveaway 100. And you would like us to talk about our first pick when we started lockpicking. This was my first lock. I brought this one from the Caribbean, a laminated 50mm 2-inch body. It is not a good lock. It is like 4 pins. Let me zoom. There you can see it. And the core is like, I don't know. It's crazy. So the problem with this lock is more the tensioning than everything else, because it's so wide open and so. Yeah, I picked it a couple times. I even picked it underwater. So yeah, let's see if I can do it again. If I can tension it. It's more the problem here. Let's try to worm it. I think I got it open. Yeah, it is open. So it is pretty easy. I used to have a different tensioner, but I might try this one. No, it doesn't fit. Let me try to pick it with this tensioner. It might work actually. And I want where's my favorite pick? This is my favorite pick. Might not work. So alright, so as I told you, I got this one. Now this will push out, always push out the little thingy there. Maybe I can use this one, modified from me. So I got this one in Caribbean, securing a window in the place where I lived. I had no clue about locks, to be honest. So yeah, so this was basically securing a window, because break-ins were pretty common on that Caribbean island where I lived. So yeah, it did make sense. I had a big chain and this cheap lock here. Actually, it wasn't that cheap, but I thought it was a good lock, but it was not, obviously. And of course, I brought it with me to Switzerland when I moved here. And yeah, still have it. Picked a couple times. Basically learned everything about shimming on this lock. Of course, it's pretty good shimmable. Let me see if I have my core shims somewhere here. Not core shims, my regular shims. There they are. Let's see if they work. I can show you that you can shim this one pretty easily. So I learned everything about a lot of board lockpicking on this one. I picked it underwater. I picked it underwater 1 meter away from the lock. So with like for another giveaway, I had some tension. I had some meter-long a metal stick, and I tipped some. Oh, it didn't work. Sorry for that. And I taped some, how do you call it, so the picks on it and everything. So I picked it underwater in a dry suit from a meter away. So yeah, so yes, I picked this lock a lot. Tensioning is a problem. I believe when I did that, I used a tensioning tool to get pretty deep in, just tensioning it somewhere. I think I made an extra one. I don't remember. You have to look it up. And then I picked it open with a rake or something. I mean, you can pick it open with basically everything. I believe you even can just rig it open and with the tool, I guess. Also, what I learned on this lock is core shimming, because it works on this lock. For that one, basically have your. It works better if you have a vise. My vise is upstairs, so I don't have a vise with me right now. Am I in? Basically, you move the pins and push in. We will see when we try to tension. If it's not yet. So yeah, this was a little rambling and bambling about this lock. As I told you, I have this one forever. And back when I had no idea, I thought it was a good lock, but apparently it's not, right? I mean, it's obvious. Well, this core shimming works on this lock. So it's 4 pins, made by Mintcraft. It's an M50, and the problem here is just tensioning because it's so fucked up right now. Alright, freediver, thank you for this giveaway. Congratulations for your 100 subs, and that's my entry for you. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.